Hello, my name is Denise Yezbak Moore, and today I'm creating with John Bead. Our DIY jewelry project features my Malibu Blue earrings. The tools and supplies you'll need to create these earrings are round nose pliers, wire cutters, chain nose pliers, Malibu Blue bicone 6mm and 4mm, Sapphire AB bicone 6mm, Montana bicone 6mm, head pins, eye pins, and an ear wire. We will also be using 20 gauge wire. A complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads along with printable PDF instructions can be found at blog.johnbead.com. We're going to start off by making all of our simple loops. Onto an eye pin, string a 6mm Malibu Blue bicone. We are going to bend the wire to the side, trim off that little end. With our round nose pliers, we are going to roll the wire towards us to form a simple loop. You are going to repeat this step a total of 4 times. We are now going to create all of our simple loop dangles. Onto a head pin, string a Montana 6mm, and we are bending that wire to the side. Using our wire cutters, we're trimming off that little end. And using our round nose pliers, we're rolling the wire towards us to form a simple loop. You will repeat this process 2 times for the Montana 6mm, the Malibu Blue 6mm, and the Sapphire 6mm. You will also need to create 1 simple loop of the 4 and 6mm Malibu Blue. We're going to start building the body of the earrings now. Cut a 1.5 inch length of 20 gauge wire. We are going to form a simple loop on the end of the wire. So I bent the wire to the side, and using our round nose pliers, I'm rolling the wire towards us to form a simple loop. Onto our wires, string a Montana, Sapphire, Malibu Blue, 2 of our Malibu Blue loops, another Malibu Blue, Sapphire, and Montana. Now we're going to bend the wire to the side. These beads really have to be nice and tight. So holding them, bend that wire to the side. I'm going to trim off that little end, and using our round nose pliers, we are rolling the wire towards us to form a simple loop. I want to make sure that the loops are facing the exact same way, so I'm just giving it a little twist. Cut 1 inch of our 20 gauge wire. We're going to form a simple loop, and I bent it back, and we're just rolling the wire towards us to form a simple loop. String your Sapphire Malibu Blue, grab our earring, pass it through, then we're going to grab another connector and slide that in, our Malibu Blue, and then our Sapphire, and we're going to turn it. And once again, we got to make sure those beads are nice and tight, and we are going to bend the wire. Now we are going to roll the wire towards us to form our simple loop. You can see our earring is starting to take shape. To save time, I just cut a 1 inch length of 20 gauge wire and I already formed my simple loop. Onto the wire, string our Malibu Blue, our Malibu Blue loop, the loop from the previous row, and another Malibu Blue. Making sure those beads are nice and tight, we're going to bend our wire to the side, trim off that little end, and now using our round nose pliers, we're rolling the wire towards us to form a simple loop. Our next step is to bend our wires down. So you can do it slowly. We're just bending them down. And then you can go back in and adjust and make little bends. Our next step is to add all of our little dangles. Grabbing our Montana dangle, I'm just going to open it, grab the earring attached to the corresponding color, and close, repeat on the other side. Our sapphire dangle, attach, close, and repeat on the other side. Our Malibu Blue dangle, attach to the bottom row and close, repeat on the other side. Our last dangle is the 2 crystal dangle. We are going to attach and close the loop. Let's attach our ear wire. If your loop is facing the wrong way, just kind of give it a little twist. We're going to open our ear wire, grab our earring, attach, and close your ear wire. You can now see that our earrings are complete. If your rows are a little off, just go back through and kind of play with them until you get the exact shape that you like. On the blog, you can also find PDF instructions for how to create my Malibu Blue bracelet using wax linen cording. Here's our finished look for the earrings. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you next time.